Hello, welcome to Math 1960, Section 301. This is continuation of the previous lecture. In this lecture, we're going to finish up problem number 4 that we have started and we didn't finish. So, what this integration here, we can partition it into two different integration. That so it's going to be integration from 0 to 1 over x minus 1 squared dx plus integration from 1 to 2 of 1 over x minus 1 squared dx. Now we're going to take limit at t goes to 1 from the left. So we have integral from 0 to t of 1 over x minus 1 dx. So here you realize that if we substitute here for x equal to 1, we're going to get infinity here. So that's why we change the limit using t. Okay, so plus limit from t goes to 1 plus integration from 1 to 2 of 1 over x minus 1 squared dx. So at this point, we're going to say limit as t goes to 1 from the left. So when we take the integration of this one here, so we're going to get negative. We're going to get negative 1. Oh, this is a squared here, so we should not forget. Negative 1 over x minus 1. We use substitution here from 0 to t. And then for the other one, this is here t. Okay, this is here t as well. So here we're going to get negative 1 over x minus 1 from t to 2. So if one of them diverges, that means the whole thing would also diverge. So now let's just consider the first part only and try to know whether it diverges or not. So here we say limit as t goes to, so then we substitute for t equal for x equal to t. So I have negative 1 over t minus 1. So here minus and minus 1 minus 3 times going to be minus. So when we take the limit of this one, we're going to get infinity. So since we are getting infinity, it diverges. That means the whole problem diverges. Okay.